Good morning and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We're here trading Euro Dollar in London. This is the IG platform. This is a tick chart. We're coming up to 9 o'clock. 1 second chart, 10 second, 1 minute. We're looking to see if there's any buying or selling at 9. It's going to sway the market. We'll get a cheeky short on that. We're in a bit of a downtrend. If you look at the 10-minute chart, 1 hour, 1 hour's just coming down to the trend line. Back to 1 minute. We're a bit far away from the trend line when we got that on. The market's been up to 77. I think it's been higher than that this morning. $88. So it's been up to 105.88, around about 7, and also late in the night. And what's that? Yes, just before 6. This position coming in. Just right. Let's change that. That needs to be changed to positions. 1 pip in profit. Let's see where this takes us. This might be our first scalp of the day. Oh, could have had 2 pips there, but my God, you'd have had to have been quick to get it. It lingered on about 1.8 pips for a while. So I'd expect some support round about 1550. It's a round number around which there tend to be levels of support and resistance. So we're on at 59. We've got a good few pips till we get to 50. Let's put that on there at 52 in case we get taken down, spiked down there. 115. We're back to where we put our opening position on. Perhaps I should have had that on the order book for 2 pips. But you see, we're so far away from this trend line that I'm concerned there'll be a pullback. You know, good 4 or 5 pips of it. Where are we now? Nearly a pip higher. That would have been a good time to get short on there. Never mind. First trade of the day. I'm not haven't had all my coffee yet, and I certainly haven't had any breakfast yet. That will be consumed sitting at the screen. So, where's this going? This just shows you I should have had the quick 1.8 pips on offer here, because I could have put the short back on up there. That's how quickly markets turn. And yeah, 1.8 pips isn't a lot, but it's a good little scalp. Nothing wrong with taking good scalps. Yeah, that's not good. This over the trend line now. mean, it's had a good run down, 60, 7. I think we'll get another one on that. And then if it does start falling off, perhaps a couple more as it falls, but this undecided at the moment, not going flat. This is above the trend line. This is still just below it, but it could easily go through, could easily fall off it, bounce back, bounce lower. These are exponential moving averages. The purple one is 20 units. So it's calculated on the last 20 closing prices of all these candles. Blue 150, the brown one 100. See, they're opening up into a downtrend here on the 1 minute chart. But these are only indicators. There's no cut and dried method to this. As you've seen in many of the videos before, markets tend to move in waves. So that was a down wave, and this is coming up. So it's now 1 pip higher than we've got our highest short on out. It's found support up around this level before, or selling. But you see, as the morning starts, more and more participants will come to the market. Right, is that the market turning? Is that what we are now seeing? But it actually is still looking like it's slightly trending up. We're in this trade the wrong way, really, I think. Usual dilemma of the scalper, getting in things the wrong way round. Right, this looking hopeful. So looking at the overall picture, it's possible that the price can get run up all the way to 105. It's been to 95 before, earlier in the week. I think that's the maximum downside, unless the dollar really does weaken off significantly. Right, where's this trade going? Looks like it's just turning, doesn't it? And get another one on there. Selling into the downward movement. Right. And then would you believe it's pulled back a pip? Right, so we're looking for it to make new lows as well. We need to be careful here. We're selling right at the bottom of the market so far today. Where is this going? Market turning again. A few sellers stepping in. One position in profit, one vaguely. Oh, here we go. Two in profits. Right. Where do we want to get out? Down here somewhere, 57. So if we see 57 on the offer, we ought to be taking it. And we're not far off. About another pip we could do with. Just missed that one. I was looking at this last position coming over a pip into profit, which it did, and I missed. This is where practice at the screen trading comes in, because it's all about muscle memory and the reflexes of being a trader, and those profits are there to be taken, but you do need to be quick. You need to be the one who's there before everyone else. So what did that come down to? 57.3. Yes, that was still in the 58s. See, we let that slip through our fingers. You know, we've been in this trade, 10 minutes now. That was a mistake. That one. So if that one was one pip in profit, that would have been 58.1. And you see, we could have been putting the shorts back on again there. Good 3 pips higher, 4 pips higher. We got that one wrong for scalping. And you see, this is tested down here twice now. And the trend lines are going a bit flat, and that's up to the trend line. There may not be a huge appetite to push it lower. That might be the reality of what we're seeing. You know, the sellers don't see it going a lot lower, which is why they've got no real conviction to sell. Yeah, now we're pips out the money. Right, where are you going? This is beginning to look like it's forming up to being range bound. So this is exactly what scalping looks like. Lots of hours spent in front of the screen, waiting for the right opportunities. And then when they do show themselves, you've got to be quick enough to take them. Right, is this turning? Is this turning? So my basic concept in trading here is, when you're below the trend line, sell, and when you're above it, buy. It's that simple. The trend line just giving you a good indication of where the market's heading. And the longer the period of time, the more noise it will take out of the candles. This not really got any great conviction to go anywhere. So first scalp of the day is turning into a bit of a position trade. Should have been out of it there. That was not too bad for a scalp. See this downtrend looking like it's breaking. I mean, I suppose it's done it here. Had a double top there and dropped off. Might be looking at that here. What we don't want is the banks running the price up, and we're full of shorts right at the bottom. It's been all morning. This looking like it's coming off the bottom. This is not good. See, forming up above the trend line now. Candles being painted above the trend line. So we need to be out of this soon. There's no great reason to be shorting now. It's going neither one way nor the other. We need an excuse to be. We need a good reason to get out, and not these forming up higher. No, and look at that. You know, it's coming up off the bottom. So I would say we are definitely in this the wrong way round now, and we just need to get out of it as best we can. So where are you going, market? I mean, I'd have said it's going to grind up, if anything, but there could well be more sellers step in. It's just nobody's really keen about doing anything at the moment. These prices here, Duke's Copy in Geneva, another very good brokerage. Let's lift that up so we can see what's going on. Dear. Yeah, you see, forming up above the trend line. I would have thought this could well get worse before it gets better. And you see these lows all forming higher. Classic formation of trend line forming up there. So unless a big seller comes in the market, we are going to be stuck with this a little while till the uptrend finishes and a new downtrend establishes itself. So it's a question of how high the prices will go before sellers are tempted to come back in any great number. One position back on side. But you see, is that just one of these, just little spikes down? That's turned downwards. We just need it to continue. And one of the things that the market makers and the banks will do is, after the price has come down, they will run it up to panic short sellers into covering their positions. Absolutely classic move. So one position on side, one roughly around about break even. If we can get the third one on side, 60.4. We could do that in the 57s. Yeah, it must have been in the low 58s there. Market grinding off. Let's get ready to close if we can. I'd like to see this candle close below the trend line and the next one. But what I'd like to see and what will happen are two different things. Right, coming back down to where it's been before. Now we're in the 50, well, we were in the 58s. Last position there, just offside, but we needed about 2 pips lower. Just do with that final bit. No, it's gone quiet. We just need it to push that final bit lower. Come on, where are you? So one candle formed up below the trend line. Where's it going next? Just need a few sellers to step in. Take it down towards 105.50. It's not that tempted at the moment. Right, here's a few. We're getting. See, that last one touched 1 pip in profit there. Man, I think we should set the. Come on, where's another seller? Where is another seller? That was 58. Where's another seller? Yeah, this beginning to look like a bit of a market bottom, unless it can push through it. Right, price is coming off again. Right, third position getting close to break even. Third, last position just in profit. Right, that's it. We'll take that. Scalp done. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like. Please subscribe.